Okay, so now we're into the actual programming, and this is one of a series of videos that I found that show how we actually program or link together the little blocks of code in the form of the graphics. And it's very simple. It's very well put forward, and he takes his time going through and explaining how he's got things, why he's putting certain nodes together to get certain sets of information before he then what he calls transposes those into a complete list. And you'll see how he searches for the correct one and uses that then to create more data and then saves that data to an Excel file. And in this particular case, he's using the Excel file back again to do something else. So there we are, very easy to use. And I would strongly recommend that you watch this a couple of times and then go into Revit yourself and then have a play with Dynamo.